zero division error. Now let me solve an example with the zero division error. What will be the output? So let me check an example here. Example number 2. X equals to 2, y equals to 0. Try solution equals to x over y. Accept zero division error. Print of division by 0. Else print of answer is comma solution. When you run it, you will get this output, zero division error, division by 0. Look, here we have two variables, x equals to 2, y equals to 0. Under try condition, we have the real statement. It is solution equals to x over y. Now look at here, y equals to 0 here, so the denominator equals to 0 here. Therefore, it is a zero division error. This condition is satisfied. This zero division error is satisfied here because y equals to 0, the denominator equals to 0. Therefore, this print function will be executed. We will see this statement in the output, division by 0, division by 0. So it is actually zero division error with the statement division by 0. You will only see division by 0 in the final output here, which is actually zero division error. So we got the answer in the first condition. We don't need to jump to the next choice, which is else, because the first one has been satisfied. The first one has been satisfied. It is zero division error. Therefore, this statement will be printed in the output, division by 0. What is this? It is the statement for the zero division error.